At Johnstone Supply, finding and ordering replacement parts has never been easier. Our new part-to-part tool on our website now enables HVAC contractors to quickly find and order an OEM part, an aftermarket part, or any number of universal parts. No matter what brand you service, Johnstone Supply has you covered. All that is required to access the part-to-part tool is a Johnstone Supply account. If you don't already have one, then contact your local Johnstone Supply and we'll open one for you. It's free and fast. Now let's take a quick tour of the part-to-part search tool. Begin your search by entering the part number into the main search bar. As you are entering the part number, the predictive autocomplete saves time by instantly finding matches. If the predictive text isn't showing what you need, you will need to search within cross-reference. After locating and clicking on the part you need to replace, you will see a list of all compatible parts and their availability from your local and nearby Johnstone Supply locations. It's as simple as that. If you can't find what you need, please contact your local Johnstone Supply for assistance, either by phone or by using the feedback form. Our all-new part-to-part search tool is available to our contractors 24/7 from any device, anywhere, providing a convenient, time-saving resource to quickly and easily find the replacement parts you need, when and where they're needed. That's the power of Johnstone.